Good morning. It is Saturday. I've got 3 hours-ish where I need to drop off a package at the post office, and then I'm going to install Starlink. I'm a little bit nervous. I want to make sure everything's packed away and stuff, but I think I can do it. Finally, I've got everything set up. All I need is the drill from storage. That's it. That's all I need. So that's what I'm going to try and do. What I'm going to do is I'm going to leave in 15 minutes. I'm going to give myself 15 minutes to pack everything away and do the stuff that I need to do. Let's double check the weather. There's a 40% chance of rain at 11. I'm not going to let that stop me. That being said, there's supposed to be a storm at 5. But guess what? We're going to move forward. We're going to carry on. And whatever happens, happens. We're all good. Do you like my new camera, by the way? This is a new camera. I think it looks pretty good. So that's what I'm going to do. Let's make a start. So we have packed away what we need to pack away. So the post office that I was going to go to is closed. So that changes things slightly. I don't think I have time to go to another post office and to storage. I think I'm just going to get productive, and I'm just going to go to storage, and I'm just going to get my work done. That's what I'm going to do. That is the priority. So with that being said, let's head on to our little journey. I'm here. Gonna be honest, pretty nervous. I hate putting holes in the truck. So that's gonna be fun. Here's where the gland's going to go next to the solar, and then here's the Starlink next to the air conditioner, so there's plenty of room for it, which is good. They assumed there would be, but I didn't actually check. So what I need to do now is I need to clean this to make sure that the VHP tape sticks to this. If it doesn't, then I'm going to scrape away some of the paint and clean that and stick it to that part of the roof. I need to drill holes here, feed the wires through. I've got grommets as well, gaskets to put through there for the wires, and take it from there. It should be fairly simple, but you know, we'll see whether it actually ends up that way. It's going to be interesting to see. Let's see what happens. So the one thing that I need is cleaning stuff from my rubber grommet gasket things. Got the protective coil set. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to clean this part of the roof. Yikes. Yikes. Here's what we're looking at in terms of cleaning. This is super yikes. Now the question is VHB tape going to stick to this, or is it going to stick better to the metal? I'm just going to stick it down. Yeah, I think it needs to be scraped away. I think it needs to be scraped. So let's figure this out. It's going to go here. Right. I'm going to do there. I'm going to do there. And then I'm going to do there. That's what I'm going to do. We're sure, we're sure. Okay, that's it, we've committed. We've committed. We have committed. It's wonky, but we've committed. This. Okay. That's it. The holes through. We'll figure the rest out. Is that where we're going? Yeah. Jesus Christ. That's it. It's committed, it's in, it's done. It's going to take a bit more of a drill. You just get in there. Ethernet just through. Okay, so here's what we're looking at right now is holes have been drilled through. I've got these little, still don't know what you call them, rubber things that are going to go around this to stop this from scraping and cutting into it. Then I'm going to put this over it, and then so I'm going to VHB tape it, I'm going to seal it, and then I'm going to do the same for these, because these are still, like, it's down, but it's not down, if you know what I mean. But this one doesn't feel like it's down at all. That one needs to be secured more. Yeah, so that's what we're going to do right now, essentially. So the weather's not staying great for us. It is not staying great for us, but we are going to figure it out. So let's get these rubber things on properly. Beautiful. This is what I should have done with my solar, but I didn't, unfortunately. Okay. They work. Could be a bit bigger, actually. They work. Then we're going to clear this metal and all this other shit from here. Then feed the Ethernet down more. Okay, that's how it's going to look. So, the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to get this. It's on. The VHB tape is like, it's pulling up the roof when I pull on it, so the VHB tape is sticking it down. Oops. I put on the sealant on the Starlink and on the cable gland as well. And I also put on some flex tape. It's mainly a psychological thing for me, to be honest with you. Just to settle my mind, like, I don't know, it doesn't do anything and it looks ugly. However, it's just to calm my mind down of just like a backup if anything bad happens. Basically, I'm just adding more sealant on this AC one. So what I'm trying to say is that yes, I added flex tape. No, I don't think it's going to do anything. Yes, it looks ugly, but it just puts my mind at ease a little bit. That being said, I'm pretty happy with everything else. I feel like there's enough sealant around. It is waterproof enough. I mean, it looks ugly because I'm terrible at doing this, but other than the blatant ugliness of it, it definitely feels like it is fully waterproofed, and I feel pretty confident about it. So I think I've just installed the Starlink. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put this drill away. I've got an appointment that I have to go to now. So I'm going to put all my crap away. And then in a minute for you guys, I'm going to test it all out and make sure it runs okay. But I think we've done it. I think we've done it. I think everything is all good here. Feel pretty confident with it. I mean, it looks ugly as shit. Everyone will, I'm sure there's going to be comments of people being like, what the fuck, this is crazy. You're just using flex tape to stick it down. Like, it's on, it's solid, it's good, we're good. Don't panic. Well, here's what we're looking at. The old, wow, that just got yellow from the sun. That's the old for the solar panels. That is the new one for the Starlink. And then that is the Starlink. So there's the flex tape, which is doing fucking nothing. It's only on one side, really. But yeah, the Starlink is installed and I am fully confident as to its stability. All good on that. I'm nervous and excited. The weather is not great. It's not raining, but could do any second. Okay, that's it. I think we've cleared the roof. My panels need a clean, but I think we're all good. I'm excited to test it out. I'm excited for the stuff to dry though. Mainly, let me put you down there. I'm very excited to finally have it installed. We will test the capability of it very, very soon. Time to pack this away. So AC is going on, first of all, and we're just going to get tidied up. Good morning. I started with an old man sit, but I didn't do the little sigh. It is cold today. It is very cold in the truck. The reason why I turned on the camera is because I need to finish off the Starlink video. So finally installed Starlink on the roof. It is working well. Speeds do vary with Starlink. Hi, Future Chris here. I'm cutting out about 40 minutes of me faffing around with my phone, trying to figure out what was going on with the internet speeds. I wanted to show you, after a little while of using it, the kind of speeds that I'm getting. It does vary with Starlink. That is one thing that I will tell you. It definitely varies in speeds, but I'm going to do a live speed test now to see my current speed, and we'll see what is happening with it. So, as of right now, it's about 80. Okay, about 80 up, and oh, this is getting lower. It's getting lower. So about 80 down and 10 up right now. If I do this again, you'll probably see a completely different result. All right, so second test is 82 down, 20 up. So it's similar to the last one. The one main variable that I would give in this instance is I am not using the Starlink built-in router. I'm using my own router. Messed around with the settings a little bit, but I know that there's better settings that I could have. So that's one thing that I would definitely say is that this is probably slowing down because of my settings. So I need to tweak them. The other thing that I would say is I will be hardwiring my computer through Ethernet into my router. So that will also have a massive impact on the final speed as well. But when I've run the speed test in the past, it's usually between about 100, 150 down and between 20 and 50 up, depending. But I'm going to, in another video, I'm going to break down my total internet setup that kind of uses multiple sources and finds the best and fastest one. But I'll break that down in another video because that's a long and complicated story. But overall, what I would say is Starlink has been reliable, at least. It's been pretty steady, and it has definitely been better than Nomad Internet, which is, not to get into detail, but I would say that my experience with Nomad Internet has been the worst experience that I've had with any business in my entire life by quite a long shot. So I will leave it at that. But I'm going to go back to past Chris to wrap up the video. But yeah, overall, I'm happy with it, especially compared to the previous internet provider that I was using, which was Nomad Internet, and we'll see how it goes. So I'm going to carry on with the rest of my day. I'm going to drink my coffee, keep testing out Starlink and seeing how it works in real world applications. But it is installed, it is working, it runs off DC, which is one of the important things for me, and I will continue to update you on how it goes. Thank you for joining this little journey. That's it for now. For now, I'm clocking out.